Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn how to send bridal package details on WhatsApp when someone submits the form. Now, let's take an example that you are a beauty salon owner and you are using Pabbly Form Builder to collect the booking details of your customer. So, whenever a customer approaches you for the bridal package details, you ask them to fill a form which you have created by using Pabbly Form Builder. Say your customer Smita filled the form of Pabbly Form Builder for booking a bridal package. Now you want to send the bridal package details along with the sign up confirmation message to Smita on her WhatsApp number. So how will you do this? You have to take the details of the customer from Pabbly Form Builder. You have to draft a message and then you have to send that message on the number of that customer. So actually, this is a tiresome and repetitive process. It becomes difficult when the number of customers increases. So why not to create an automation? So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills the form in Pabbly Form Builder, he should automatically receive a WhatsApp message on his number. But here, the problem is that there is no direct connection between Pabbly Form Builder and WhatsApp. So how to do this? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Pabbly Form Builder to WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. So let us check this in the real time. So this is the form which I have created using Pabbly Form Builder. And this is the WhatsApp number of the customer. I want that whenever the customer fills this form, he should receive a sign up confirmation message along with the package details, bridal package details on this WhatsApp number. Okay, so let us fill this form first. The customer name was Smita Gupta. Mobile number was 7999724918. Email ID smitagupta11@gmail.com. Address is E4 258 Arira Colony, Bhopal. The date of the wedding, let us select it as 30th of September. The theme of the wedding, it should be floral theme. And who will need makeup? Bride only. And the number of bridesmaids, let us select it as 5. Okay. Now if any of the customer wants to add some comment, they can comment over here. And let us click on submit. Now here we can see that the message has been submitted successfully. Now let us check the WhatsApp of the customer whether he has received the sign up confirmation message along with the bridal package details or not. So here we can see the customer has received a message. Hi Smita Gupta, thanks for signing up. Welcome to Rose Spa. We are so lucky to have you. As a special user, you will be among the first to hear about the new arrivals, big events and special offers. For more information, view our menu and price list. If you need any support, don't hesitate to reach out with questions. We would love to hear from you. Cheers. So here, you might be wondering that I just filled a Pabbly form from here and the customer has received. So how did I manage to send the data from Pabbly Form Builder to WhatsApp? So let me tell you that I have done this in just 3 simple steps and anyone can do this very easily. So here at step 1, connect Pabbly Form Builder to Pabbly Connect with the help of webhook URL. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect will offer us a webhook URL. So we have to paste that webhook URL into the Pabbly Form Builder, okay, which will create an integration between Pabbly Form Builder and Pabbly Connect. At step 2, collect the data from Pabbly Form Builder in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect will automatically capture the data from Pabbly Form Builder. At step 3, send the same data to Vati for sending messages on WhatsApp. So you might be thinking, here I am using Vati and I want to send the messages on WhatsApp. So why I am using this Vati over here? So let me tell you that we are using Vati because we cannot send the messages directly on WhatsApp. So Vati is an official API service of WhatsApp by which we can send the messages on WhatsApp very easily. So at step 3, whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Pabbly Form Builder, the same data would be sent to Vati and to WhatsApp for sending the messages. Okay. Now let us learn the process. For this, let us type PABBLY pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you're the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll just click on sign in. Here we have to scroll down, come to connect and click on access now. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to come to this create workflow, click on this plus sign. Now it is asking us to give the workflow name. So let us give the workflow name as Pabbly Form Builder to WhatsApp. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement. Now let us click on create. So here you can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger and what is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills the form, he should receive a message on his WhatsApp number. So in the trigger application, we have to select Pabbly Form Builder. In the trigger event, we are going to select new form submission. Now here we can see webhook URL, okay? And along with that, some steps are also given. So let us read the steps. Log into Pabbly Form Builder account. Click on integration menu available at the left side of the dashboard, okay? So it's very easy. We are already on Pabbly Connect. What we have to do, we'll just come to here and here we can see some options available: email marketing, Pabbly subscription billing, Pabbly Form Builder. So I'll just open Pabbly Form Builder from here itself. Okay, now let us read the instructions. We have log into Pabbly Form Builder. Yes, this is the dashboard of Pabbly Form Builder. Okay, now let us read the next line, next instruction. Click on the integration menu available in the left side in the dashboard. Okay, so here we can see the integration menu in the left side. We have to click over here. Okay, now let us read the next instruction. From top section, select the form for which you wish to set up webhook. Okay, so here we have to select the form. There are many forms available here. So my form name was Makeup Studio. Okay, so I will be selecting this. I'll just open it once again. Yes, Makeup Studio. So we will be selecting this Makeup Studio form which is available here. Okay, now let us read the next instruction. Now click on Create Webhook button and add the webhook URL which has been provided here and save it. Okay, so we have to paste this webhook URL. So let us move to webhooks. Yes, here we can see the webhooks. Here you have to click on Create Webhook, this plus sign. Now we have to go to Pabbly Connect. We have to copy this webhook URL from here and simply paste it over here. And now we have to click on Save. Okay, so now here you can see two webhook URLs are given. So both of them are having the same form ID. I'll just erase any one of them, okay, because it is not required. So now here we can see that we have done till here. Okay, now click on the Capture Webhook Response button and do a test submission over the form to capture response here. Okay, so here we can see, do we need to recapture the response? Yes. But now it is waiting for the response because we have to again fill up the form. Then only it will capture the response. So let us fill this Pabbly form here. So this time I am giving the name as Shweta Tiwari. Let's give the mobile number as 7999724918. Email ID as tiwarish11@gmail.com. Address as Senior HIG 185 Ayodhya Nagar Bhopal MP, and let us select the date of the wedding. It should be 28th of September, and the theme of the wedding, let us give it as vintage. And who will need makeup? Bride and bride party, and the total number would be 10, and let us click on submit. The message has been submitted. Now let us move to Pabbly Connect, and here we can see it is waiting for the webhook response, and now it has captured the data. Okay, responses received, and all the details of Shweta Tiwari has been fetched over here. Okay, you can see the email ID, address, the date, the theme of the wedding, and who will need the makeup. All the details of the customer are fetched over here. So now we have to send a WhatsApp message to this customer. So for this, in the action window, we have to select the application name as Vati. Now in the action event, we are going to select send template message. Now let us click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection. Now here it is asking for API endpoint and access token. So you might be thinking from where we can get this. For this, let us read the instructions. Navigate to the top of your Vati dashboard, click on hamburger icon and click on API docs to find your API endpoint. So for this, we have to go to our Vati dashboard. Okay, I'll just open my Vati dashboard. So this is my Vati dashboard where I have already signed in. So you might be thinking how you can reach this dashboard. So you can find a complete video based on how to sign up, sign in and log into Vati in the description box of this video. Okay. Now here we have to click on this hamburger icon, that is this 3 lines, and click on API docs. We can find access token and API endpoint over here. We just have to copy this. We have to go to Pabbly Connect and we have to paste it over here. Same with access token also. I'll go to Vati. I'll just copy access token. I'll go to Pabbly Connect and I will paste this one also over here. And let's click on save. It is showing as connected. Now it is asking for the WhatsApp number. So we want to send the WhatsApp to the customer. So we have to map the details of this WhatsApp number of the customer. So let us map these details. Now it is giving a special instruction. Enter a valid WhatsApp number with country code without the plus sign. Okay. So first let us select the WhatsApp number of the customer. This one. Okay. Now it is asking to add the country code also. So in front of this number, I will add the country code, that is 91, as we are in India, and it is saying that it should be without the plus sign. We don't have to add the plus sign over here. Okay. Now the next one is template. So what is a template? Template is simply a message that needs to be sent on the WhatsApp number. Okay. So let me take you to Vati again. Here we have to click on the broadcast and here we can find template messages. So if you want to create a new template, you can click on this plus sign, new template message. After creating a template, we have to get it approved from Facebook, which is the parent company of WhatsApp. It takes 3 to 24 hours to get a template approved. So I'll just open the one which I have already created and got it approved. So this is the one, spa sign up. Okay, I'll just open it. So this is the template name. We have the header options available. We have already added an image also. If you want to add some video or a document, you can add it over here. This is the body of the template. Body means the message we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Okay. And few more options are available. You can avail that. Now, when we read the body, we can see the message written as hi, name, thanks for signing up, welcome to company name. We are so lucky to have you. As a special user, you will be among the first to hear about the new arrivals, big events and special offers. For more information, view our menu and price list. If you need any support, don't hesitate to reach out with questions. We would love to hear from you. Cheers. So here you might be thinking why I have kept this name, company name in the curly braces. So I have kept these parameters in the curly braces because these will keep on changing. Whenever the form will be filled, these parameters, these variables will be changed every time. So here I am using this SPA sign up template. This is my sample template where I have taken the testing banner along with the pricing details and got it approved from Facebook. You can create a template in Vati as I have already shown you and get it approved. Okay. So we are going to use this template. The name of the template is SPA sign up. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and in the template we are going to select the template SPA sign up. Here we have to give the broadcast name Bridal Package Customers. So I'm giving the broadcast name as Bridal Package Customers. Now here we are interested in custom parameters. Okay. So what we will be doing, simply come here on the example. We are just going to copy this and we are going to paste it over here. Now here we have the parameter name. Okay. So the name of the parameter is color and the value is blue. So here in the Vati, when we go to our template, we can see here we have the parameter as name. So what I will be doing, I'll just copy this. Instead of color, the name of the parameter is name. The value we want is the name of the customer. So I'll just map the details of the name of the customer, that is Shweta Tiwari. Okay. And here the next parameter, it was company name. I'll just copy it again. Copy it from there. Here instead of company, I want the parameter name as company name and the value should remain fixed. So I will be giving the name manually, that is Cassandra Beauty and Spa. And now let us click on Save and Send Test Request. So here we can see the responses received. Okay. Now let us check whether this customer has received any message on the WhatsApp number or not. So yes, we can see, hi Shweta Tiwari, thanks for signing up. Welcome to Cassandra Beauty and Spa. We are so lucky to have you. As a special user, you will be among the first to hear about new arrivals, big events and special offers. For more information, view our menu and price list. If you need any support, don't hesitate to reach out with questions. We would love to hear from you. Cheers. So here, I just show you my template again. That was Spa. Okay. Now here we can see this image was there. The customer has received the same image over here also. Okay. And along with that, we can see the parameters. Here we have given hi name. So customer has received hi, name was Shweta Tiwari. Okay. And here welcome to, the company name was there. So let us see the message. Welcome to Cassandra Beauty and Spa, which we have given manually over there. So it will remain fixed. Only the name parameter will keep on changing for every customer. Okay. So now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Let us save this. Data saved successfully. And now let us check this in the real time whether our integration is working fine or not. So I'll just refresh this form again and let's create one more entry. Now this time let us give the name as Vidushi Sharma. Mobile number as 7999724918. Email ID as vidushi sh55@gmail.com. Address say SP 898 Indus Town, Bhopal, MP. The date of wedding, let us select it as 8th of October. Theme of the wedding, Let us select again the theme. Let us select the theme as Bollywood this time. Who will need makeup? Bride only. Number of bridesmaids. Let's give it as 8 and submit. Message submitted successfully. And here let us check the WhatsApp number. We can see, hi Vidushi Sharma, thanks for signing up. Welcome to Cassandra Beauty and Spa. We are so lucky to have you. The customer has received the same message over here also. Okay. So now here we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Now I'll just minimize these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that whenever a form is filled in Pabbly Form Builder, automatically the customer should receive a message on the WhatsApp number. So here we have created a successful integration between Pabbly Form Builder and Vati. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow along with a complete video based on how to sign up, sign in and log into Vati is available in the description box. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.